I am actually at the dentist's office about to go in a second, but I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about Spotify. I was looking at Spotify today. I'm very impressed with what I see. The company just announced a quarterly profit, or for the first time, I think, in a while or ever. I don't know. I got to double check, but I think they've never made an operating profit up until this point. And I love it. I love the fact that Spotify is becoming just such a solid investment. The company, in case you don't know, that stock has actually doubled this year. It's gone up over 100%. And I would actually, I'm not telling you to buy it. I don't give investing advice, but I'm probably going to buy some shares in Spotify because I like the direction that the company's going. I like what they're doing because a lot of people don't know this. One of the things about Spotify that's interesting is they had a really aggressive growth strategy. They were trying to acquire exclusive deals with all these big name people, and that's nice. But when you're out here paying 100 million, 200 million to the Joe Rogans and the Obamas and the Kardashians, that does okay, but that actually became a money loser for them. And also, a lot of people know Spotify for music. Music was also a not such a great business for them because they have to give about 70 to 75 cents of every dollar they make back to the music industry. So that doesn't work very well. Where they have really started killing it is in podcasts. They have really committed themselves to building up their podcast database and creating that exclusive content that allows them to have higher margins. My podcast, for example, is on Spotify. So you can go to Spotify, look up Boyce Watkins. You'll find Dr. Boyce Breakdown there. My wife and I do things on there as well. She's a therapist, and so we love to talk about things related to love and money, but also I just talk about whatever I talk about. You know how I am. And so Spotify's really got it. I think they figured it out. In addition to that, they're now putting, I think they're gonna start putting audiobooks up there. So they're becoming kind of a one-stop shop for all things audio. And I think that that's really a smart business move. And I think it's working for them. And in fact, they increased their prices by 10%. The customers didn't budge. That shows they have tremendous pricing power. In economics, we call that we call that inelasticity. So if you are if your price is elastic, that means that if you change your price a little bit, that means that sorry, if your demand is elastic, it's not price. Sorry, if you have elastic demand, that means that if you change your price a little bit, your customers run. When it's inelastic, that means that your customers are okay with enduring a little bit of a price increase, and your overall revenue goes up. So effectively, this inelastic demand that Spotify has been able to acquire is really working well for them. And if you want to know if I think that it's a great investment, a good company to invest in, again, I don't give investing advice. I want to make that clear, but I am going to buy some shares of Spotify. So if you want, that's my profit alert for today. So feel free to go take a look at Spotify. Maybe you can wait till the stock cools down a little bit because the stock kind of took a little bit of a bump because of the recent announcement. But maybe you can buy then or buy later, or buy some now, buy some later, and add it to your portfolio. But remember, you have to diversify when it comes to investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The way you can buy Spotify is on any app, Robinhood, Acorn, Stash, etc. If you want to get started with investing, just go to boycewatkins.com. I've got some lots of good stuff there that can get you going. My PhD's in finance. You guys know that. We started the Black Business School. And the other thing too is if you want to get these profit alerts delivered to you via text, all you have to do is text the word stock to 31996. Text stock to 31996. And also on Monday, the Prime Programs meeting. That's the passive recurring income machine, and that's where we learn how to generate consistent income from our stocks. So if you'd like to join the Prime program, feel free to go to drboyceprime.com. drboyceprime.com. All right, hit that thumbs up button, thumbs up, share, subscribe. I'm about to go into the dentist, so I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.